हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय शो। आज मेरे साथ है अनिरुद्ध और हम एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं और बहुत मज़ा आएगा आपको ये बात सुनकर। तो क्या आपको पता है कि हमारे जो एक्टर्स हैं वो इतने लग्जरियस लाइफ में कैसे जीते हैं? डू यू नो हाउ दे डू दैट?
Yes, I do have an idea.
या तो आज हम उसी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। आज हम बताएंगे आपको कि वो और क्या क्या करते हैं, एक्टिंग के अलावा और क्या क्या करते हैं जिनसे उन्हें इतना पैसा मिलता है।
So, I think I can start off with one of the most famous personality, King Khan.
Yes.
None other to better start with him. So we all know that he is a big superstar, right? And obviously he has a huge income because of his stardom. And of course he's a good actor as well. But apart from that, he has his own, business, which is he owns the Kolkata Knight Riders team. I think he partners with Juhi Chawla, which is again a celebrity.
Exactly.
So that's pretty famous, right? And I feel everyone can earn a lot.
Everyone watches it like.
Exactly. So there's a huge brand value for that, and of course that gives him a lot of income, and of course he is also having his own production company.
Yes.
The Red Chillies Entertainment. I'm pretty sure everyone must have seen Jawan. वो तो blockbuster है. So that is again a great source of income for him, and I think now his entire family is into business, and they do brand endorsements.
Even Gauri Khan is a great interior designer. His daughter is into.
She is now a brand ambassador of Tira. Again a cosmetic product. So I think that's great. So they kind of do a lot of things, and the best part of Shah Rukh is. Due to his stardom value, he hosts a lot of award shows and stage shows. So I'm pretty sure due to this, he lives a flamboyant and a very luxurious life.
आपकी फेवरेट मूवी कौन सी है शाहरुख खान की?
I always liked Shah Rukh's Swadesh. So that's a very beautiful movie where Shah Rukh, apart from being a star, his acting skills are
visible in that.
Exactly. So
that's right. तो दैट वॉज किंग खान फॉर अस। अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी सुष्मिता सेन के बारे में। शी वॉज मिस यूनिवर्स एज वी ऑल नो। तो सुष्मिता सेन अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग अ सिंगल मदर ऑफ 2 daughters एंड बीइंग अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लेडी, उनके बहुत सारे साइड बिजनेसेस भी है। तो वो एक रेस्टोरेंट की ओनर है मुंबई में, और उस रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है बंगाली माशीज़ किचन। वहाँ पर पूरा बंगाली क्विजीन मिलता है। तो शी इज़ द ओनर ऑफ दैट रेस्टोरेंट। फिर सुष्मिता सेन हैज़ अ ज्वेलरी रिटेल स्टोर ऑल्सो। तो दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ इनकम एज अ साइड बिजनेस। और she also has a production company called Tantra Entertainment. That's great, right? She has so many businesses apart. Recently she even did a TV series called Tali.
Okay.
That showed how strong she is. It showed really strong behavior of hers. She's doing a lot of series right now, like Arya. All of them are really amazing to watch. And so she's also planning to open up a chain of spas and restaurants
wow,
soon.
She's into a lot of
things.
Yeah.
So I think she's doing great. Even if she has stopped movies, she is always in the picture.
True. Very true. That's great, and I'm pretty sure she also has a luxurious lifestyle.
Yes, definitely.
And the other person that I can remember, think about is Hrithik. I'm really a big fan of Hrithik. In my childhood, the first memory of Hrithik is Ik Pal Ka Jeena dance from Kavan of
those moves.
Yes, very groovy. And I think pretty much all the boys might have been excited to see his biceps, and he's a fitness freak, by the way. And it was visible in his very first movie. I think Kavana Pare was his debut.
Yeah.
And he did a great job in that movie. And of course, there are a lot of movies, and he's known for his Krish, for his superhero movie. So he's being a fitness freak. I'm pretty sure that he kind of started, in the later stage. Even though it was in the later stage, he started a brand, HRX.
Yeah.
It is available in Myntra, and I think he's doing a great job in that. Even I wanted to buy a couple of shoes and T-shirts from HRX. So that is his, the thing that he's doing apart from films. Yeah, so that's pretty great, and I think it started in 2013. He launched it in 2013.
Okay.
And it's 10 years. I think they're going to celebrate their. They must have celebrated their.
Yeah,
10 years,
definitely.
So that's amazing, and he also is an owner of a gym. So that was new to me. I was just going through, and he kind of owns a gym in Mumbai. It's called Center Cult, and he's also having an equity stake in Bangalore, another fitness center, which is Cure Fit.
Okay.
Yeah. So
all into fitness.
Completely into fitness. That's what I think keeps him motivated. Even though, during his low stages in life. That's an amazing thing. And what's your favorite one?
Ritik, I really loved Vikram Vedha.
Great. Okay.
What acting, amazing acting. So that is a movie that's a movie that is not shown on TV a lot, but I think that is something I really loved.
Amazing. Even though it's a remake, he did a great job.
Yeah. So next, I think while discussing side businesses, we cannot miss out on Twinkle Khanna. Doing a lot in the business, like apart from being Akshay Kumar's wife, she has a name for herself now.
True.
So she's a great author. She's written a book called Mrs. Funny Bones. It's really funny and nice to read. I've read it. तो उसके अलावा उनका एक interior designing company भी है, which is called The White Window.
Very nice name.
Yeah, nice name. तो वो है, और उनका एक candle making business है, which is run by her mom.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's nice.
Candle business hai, and it operates all over India.
Okay.
So that's great
lovely.
for her. Yeah.
Pan India.
Yeah.
Pan Indian star business.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And whatever she writes, like the blogs and everything, they come into great newspapers like Times of India, DNA.
Super.
So we know how well she writes. So.
Yeah, good with names, right?
Yeah.
Window, Funny Bones.
Yeah.
Good with words.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And her nature itself is like really fun, and she's really different, not like all the other Bollywood stars. Though she couldn't make it great into Bollywood, but I think she's doing great for herself.
Lovely. True. That's true.
Yeah. So who else do you think has a great side business?
We can't really forget someone very special, Abhishek Bachchan.
Yes.
Right, Abhishek Bachchan. Even though I remember his movies, something that stood out apart from his film forte. I think Dostana. I can't forget Dostana, and of course Doom. But more than all these, Guru. Guru represents, the character. At the same time, I think there are shades of Abhishek Bachchan himself in that movie. He did so well because it is when I, started reading about him, I got to know that he is an amazing businessman.
Oh.
So I think that came into that character. Yeah. So probably he has his nuances there. So when I just Google his business, I got to know that he is the owner of this sports club of Pro Kabaddi, right? Jaipur Pink Panthers.
Yeah, that's his team.
True, that's his team. So he owns that, and which I think that they were the first Pro Kabaddi winners in Indian Super League, Indian Pro Kabaddi League in 2014. Also, I am pretty sure he's a good, big fan of football.
Yeah.
Because he owns Chennai in FC. He started owning that company as well.
Yeah.
His own club. It's in Indian Super League. They started in 2015.
Yeah. I think he is the only actor who has invested somewhere apart from cricket.
Exactly. Yes.
I haven't heard of anyone else who has invested anywhere else.
True. Yeah, and you need to have that guts there, because when India is known for cricket, you should be a little, be bold to promote the other sports as well. So I think he did a great job in that, and he's earning a lot in that as well, apart from movies. So that's what I remember about Abhishek.
Yeah. So another person that we should tell everyone about is Malaika Arora. She is always in news, but she is in news for various reasons, not just for acting. She is a TV presenter, actor, dancer, a judge in so many reality shows.
Lovely,
So she's been doing a lot. Apart from that, she owns a fashion brand called The Label Life. And she owns it with Bipasha Basu and Suzanne Khan.
Again, celebrities.
Yeah, again celebrities. And I've bought lots of clothes from that brand. It's really nice. The quality and everything is amazing.
Superb.
So she is the style editor of clothing in the brand. And they have a separate website, and they have lots of things going on in that website, accessories and clothing. So that is something she's doing apart from being on the entertainment front.
That's nice. Apart from just being on songs or movies, she has a strong foundation for herself, and I'm pretty sure they are all independent because of these businesses as well.
Exactly.
Even though when they don't really have successful films, they can
definitely look forward. तो ये थे हमारे कुछ इंडियन सेलिब्रिटीज़ जो बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ के अलावा दूसरे साइड बिजनेसेस में भी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। हमारा आज का डिस्कशन हमारे लिए बहुत मज़ेदार रहा। आई होप आपको भी पसंद आया हो, और अगर आपको ये पसंद आया है तो हमारा जो चैनल है इंग्लिश पार्टनर हिंदी, उसे आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आप ऐसे और बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ देख सकें। थैंक यू
सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन दिस वीडियो।